Okay, so I'm 95 feet out. Not able to go any further. It looks like the pipe has shifted a little bit here. And it's offset, but not on the bottom. It's offset on the sides of the pipe. This looks like it is past the repair that we did. Or at least there's a section of old pipe that we did not repair. But at the moment, everything appears to be flowing. I'm not able to go any further right now. But everything does appear to be flowing. You can see the water right there flowing. So since the 2 units in question are 7 and 9, possibly 8 as well, we couldn't get confirmation. If they are backing up, or if they are having slow drains in their bathtub, I don't believe this is the cause, because the pipe looks to be open and not causing any kind of backup. So it looks like there is a little bit of a belly right here, about 35 feet, 36 feet. But we can see here that the water is still flowing, even with that slight belly there. Yeah, we got to see the water going down just fine there. So there's definitely not a main sewer line problem. I mean, that offset that's at about 95.5 feet down through the clean out, that is a problem that will need to be addressed, but that's not causing any kind of backup, so it's not a huge immediate problem right now. We were called out here for bathtubs not draining properly. Under suspicion, it's a possible main line, but we've concluded that it is not from the main line. Likely just those 2 units are slow because they're probably just filled with hair or, soap, residue just built up over the years. And see what we're going through. Clean out right there. We have units 7, 8, and 9 right in between 220012 and 220018.